In this video, we'll check whether a number is a Armstrong number or not. So let's ask for a user input. Okay, so we'll ask enter a number. Okay, so let's initialize the sum. Okay, and then we'll make the temp equals num. So here we are going to find the sum of the cube of each digit. Okay, so let's make a while statement. Temp is greater than 0, then digit equals 10% 10. Okay, then sum digit cube. Okay, and then temp slash equals 10. Okay, so now we'll display the result. If num is equals to the sum, then we'll print the number. Okay, is an Armstrong number, else we'll print it is not. Okay, num is not an Armstrong number. Okay, so let's run it. So let's put 153. Okay, so you can see 153 is an Armstrong number. Okay, so let's check another number. Let's say we put 600. So here it is saying it is not an Armstrong number. So we ask the user for a number and check if it is an Armstrong number or not. We need to calculate the sum of each digit. So we initialize the sum to 0. Okay, and obtain each digit number by using the modulus operator. Okay, the remainder of the number when it is divided by 10 is the last digit of that number. We take the cube using exponent operator. Finally we compare the sum with the original number.